Okay guys, as you can see, we have these scripts. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your official Roblox on your browser, okay, and just copy your profile link. It's super easy. Let's get back to our tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our scripts that you want to add to our account guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and remove websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the double check. Delta Executor is important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see guys. Okay, so let me play these blocks first. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, now we're in the game, and as you can see we have this panel. So we have this message, thank you for using Delta. We have all scripts added, and just click execute and wait for the magic. So okay guys, as you can see we have these scripts for blocks first. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.